everyone, welcome back to my channel. Ella Dishes It Out. Today we're going to be making, it's Taco Tuesday, so we're going to be making, guess what? Tacos, yes. So I've got my little handy dandy taco tray here. And also I'm going to show you something else. Okay, so I went to the store the other day and I found these and I'm so excited. It says live every day like it's Taco Tuesday. Paper plates. And I got some napkins that says every day, every now and then I fall apart. Huh, isn't that cute? Yes, it is cute. Okay, so we're gonna use these today to help make our serve our tacos on. So we're gonna make 3 different types of tacos. We're gonna make beef tacos, we're gonna make mahi-mahi fish tacos, and we're gonna do shrimp tacos. So let's get started. Okay, we're gonna start off with our mahi-mahi fish here I've got here. I'm just gonna pour out the water and drain the water out. And then I'm gonna rinse them off. So I'm just gonna pour it in the skillet. And we're gonna put our taco seasoning on it. I've got to open it because it's brand new packet. And that's my other camera stand that fell, so you guys just ignore that. I can't, that thing is so unreliable, it keeps falling. So I'm not even gonna use that. I got me a new camera stand. Okay, so just pour your seasonings over your fish. And then you're gonna stir that up. You can add whatever seasonings you like. I like this kind of seasoning, so taco seasoning, so that's what I'm using. And just let your fish cook on each side. Flip it over. I'm gonna use a different type of tool. Okay, I'm gonna use my spatula to flip them. It's faster. Now, you could have cooked these in butter, but I'm cooking everything in olive oil today. Now, even though I love my butter, I'm trying to be a little healthier. All right, so olive oil it is. And I'm gonna put some seasoning on the other side of this fish that I just flipped over. It's like one side of my skillet is getting hotter than the other side. Just pouring some more seasoning right there. Now, next I'm gonna cook the shrimp, and then I'll do the ground beef last. You get a container to put the shrimp in. Put the fish in, I mean. Moving this fish around to make sure it all gets cooked. I'm gonna turn my stove down a little too. Looks like it's pretty much ready. Almost. Doesn't take long for fish to cook. At all. When it starts flaking, you know it's ready. I'm just taking it all and putting it in this plate. I'm gonna do the shrimp next. For extra flavor, I could cook it in the same oil, but I'm not. I'm gonna use fresh shrimp for people that have allergies, you know, that might be a problem. So I'll put that to the side. I'm gonna grab the shrimp. Okay, I got my shrimp here already peeled. So let's put it in here. Let it cook. Put my seasoning on it. I'm gonna use the same seasoning, the taco seasoning, to this as well. A little bit more in there than I normally do. Let those bad boys start cooking. And I could probably get the ground beef started with this skillet right here. So that's what I'm gonna do here. Okay, turn them around. Shrimp don't take long to cook at all. Shrimp doesn't take long to cook at all. Be correct grammar, Ella. Guys, my catering business is coming along great. I know I told you guys that I was starting a catering business, and it's awesome. It's coming along just great. So, getting lots of customers. Lots and lots of customers. So, now we're going to do the ground beef over here. Crumble it up. I'm not going to cook all this ground beef, guys. I'm going to cook about half of it. Not even half. That's about it. The rest of this ground beef I'm going to use to make dirty rice with. Okay, these shrimp are ready to be flipped. Okay. My onions are on over here. Okay. Ready to be flipped. Flip. Got a little shell in there. Once you see the shrimp turning white, you know they're ready. They go from pink to white, or like a almost a clear white color to a pink yellowish color. I mean a white color, from a pink color to a white color. All right, so these are ready to take out. I'll put them on the same plate, which is next to it. Thinking I'm picking up something, I'm not. Just take those out. And just skillet. You know what? I'm gonna do this a simple way. I'm just gonna pour them into the skillet. Pour them into my plate. And so there's the fish tacos, and the fish and the shrimp for the fish and shrimp tacos. Okay? I'm gonna put those to the side. Put my skillet in the sink to be washed. Now we're gonna work on this ground beef, and I need a fork for that. Grab a handy dandy fork and just start making this small. Smash it and make it smaller little chunks. into small chunks of meat. Now in the taco shells that I bought, there was a seasoning packet in there, so I'm going to use that on this ground beef instead of that seasoning, just to give it a different flavor. So I'm going to go grab that right quick while this is browning. This is the seasoning packet. Looks the exact same thing. Looks like the exact same thing, seasoning. But it may have a little different flavor to it. You just pour that in there, stir it around. Keep stirring and stirring and stirring. Okay, I believe this is ready. I'm gonna turn it off. It's supposed to be lean ground beef, but I don't know how lean it is. I did put some oil in there though. Okay, I think it's a 70-30 mixture. All right, so I'm gonna turn this off, but this is ready. I'm gonna put this in a paper plate. Try to drain it a little bit with this spoon. So next we're gonna work on our fixings for our tacos. So we're gonna use cheese, we're gonna use tomatoes, and we're gonna use lettuce. And maybe sour cream. So once we get that done, we'll be ready for you guys. Trying to drain some of that oil out of there. The ground beef is kind of oily. Okay. All right, so there you have it, your ground beef. Put that to the side. And we're gonna get started on the fixings, okay? Stay tuned. Okay, we're back. And Bella's back with me, so we're getting ready to build our tacos.
Yeah.
So we've got the tacos in the tray. We've got our meat here, so we're gonna start out with the meat first.
Yes.
So let's see, we're gonna make ground beef taco right here.
Can I help?
Sure. Are your hands clean?
Yep.
Go wash your hands right quick.
Okay, I'll be right back.
All right, while she's washing her hands, I'm gonna be doing this beef tacos right here. All right. And then next we're gonna do the fish tacos. I'll just do one fish taco maybe. I know Bella's gonna like the shrimp taco, so I'll let her make that. We'll make 2 shrimp tacos. Bella, are you ready?
Yeah.
Come on.
I'm coming.
All right, here. I want you to put the shrimp in those 2 tacos.
The shrimp in these 2?
Yes. Use your spoon.
Whoop.
One more shrimp in there. All right, now put 4 shrimp in that one.
4. 1, 2. 3, 4.
All right. All right, so now we're going to start with our next layer, which is going to be
dun, 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 dun.
the lettuce.
Lettuce.
Okay, so grab some lettuce and put on top of each one.
Each one. Some lettuce. Whoa. Also the meat.
That's enough lettuce. All right, next we're going to do the tomatoes.
There's tomatoes.
Yes. Now, what I did was I cut the tomatoes, I sliced them, and I took the seeds out because the seeds are not needed in the tacos.
This one and this one. Can you put tomatoes on there because I don't?
You don't like tomatoes on yours?
No.
Okay. Well, that's one of those shrimp tacos is going to be yours, so I took the tomatoes off.
Oh, I also like meat.
And you don't want tomatoes on your down here, beef, right?
No.
Okay, so that'll be mine. All right, and lastly, but not leastly, is the cheese.
E.
Cheese. Cheese.
Little bit more cheese.
And cheese. Okay, so there you have it.
Some yummy,
Yummy, delicious tacos. Fish and shrimp and ground beef tacos.
Delicious tacos.
Yes. Okay, now it's time to eat. But first, we've got to put our picante sauce on the tacos. All right. So, get a little sauce, dip it in the spoon, and you put a little bit on your taco. Bella, do you want any?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Put one on every one taco.
Little sauce on each taco. And you could put that sauce on top of the meat if you want to,
Yeah.
if you prefer.
It'll taste delicious.
You could have put it on the meat.
When you make a taco.
Yes. Now it's time to eat. Let me see your plate.
Here's my plate.
All right. I want you to taste that taco. Let me know what you think.
What I
Yes, taste one.
let me taste this meat one. Oh,
Be careful.
I will.
Taste tester. Does it taste delicious?
Mm-hmm.
All right, I'm going to taste one too. Let me grab my plate. Okay, that's my granddaughter's taco. I'm going to taste the shrimp taco.
Is it delicious?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
It is so delicious. And yummy.
So,
We give it a 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up.
yep.
So guys,
Thank you for
thank you for
watching.
tuning in to Ella Dishes It Out. And
Please
Bella,
subscribe and share.
please like, subscribe, and share like she said. Thank you.
Have
Bye.
a nice day.
Have a nice day.
At Taco